It was 28 years ago when legendary home run hitter Roger Maris started a golf tournament to raise money for charity. And today, his wife Patricia is still in awe it's going strong.
Well, for 28 years we've been able to keep it going, and that's a long time for a charity golf tournament, so we're real proud of that.
Maris's family travels from Florida to Fargo every year for the tournament. For his son Kevin, the joy comes not just from playing the game, but seeing his father's friends and fans return as well.
There's been a lot of celebrities come back year after year, taking time out of their schedule, and to have the sponsors, around the area support the tournament for 28 years says a lot about the community.
Another baseball legend who befriended Maris decades ago was just as happy to support the cause.
It doesn't matter how you play. The outcome of what his name does, and all of the friendship and camaraderie that you spend during the time we're here in Fargo, North Dakota, it's a wonderful thing.
It wasn't just baseball athletes who knew Roger Maris. Olympic figure skater Mark Ladwig remembered growing up and watching Maris play, so he didn't think twice about sponsoring the tournament for a second year in a row.
Since I was a beginning skater, I've had the same skate sharpener here in town in Fargo, and he came down with cancer last year, and so it's just been great to come back and help in the fight for cancer.
All athletes and sponsors say they're glad the tournament is still going strong, and that it looks there will be many more years to come. As for Maris's family, they're just happy to see all the respect to Roger's name.
I think that a lot of people really have respected him, and I think that's why we get such a great crowd every year, and sponsors and everything else.
And with the support of the Maris family, 17 celebrities, and more than 60 business sponsors, it's a game that celebrates Maris's friendships and achievements. Christy Larson, Fox News.